Try some WD-40 on it. We'll try this corner right here with it, and I'll see if that helps it any. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. And this is a Cub 782 Hydro, and we're going to see if we can get them hub caps to look a little better, the moon caps. This is a Cub 782, and these were made from 1979 to 1985. There's a lot of the red model out there, and people seem to like them a bit better. They made them so they could sell them at the IH dealerships and the international dealerships. And in 1981, MTD bought Cub Cadet out, the CCC, and then they became the CCC, Cub Cadet Corp, in 1982, and they started making the yellow and white model, and also continued to make the red and white model. But this one is, you know, probably one of the 82, 83 maybe, because mostly because it has the Kohler Twin 17 on it instead of the Series 2 Kohler Twin 17. The Series 2 came a little bit later because just the Twin 17s had a problem with you mowed on a hill and it would throw a rod, and the Series 2 corrected that because it came out with a full pressure lube system, so it would have, you know, full pressure, full oil pressure going throughout the engine, even if you were mowing on the side of the hill. And one of the easiest ways to tell about that is they usually had an oil filter that came out where there's a little blocker piece down at the bottom of the crank there, and it also said it usually on the air filter cover. But these were, you know, a pretty well built garden tractor. The earlier model ones had double hydraulics. The later ones just had single here, but they put hydraulics up at the front here so you can put a snowplow on and have angle, and then your other hydraulics would lift it up and down from right here. But this has got a nice, I believe, a 50-inch deck on it. Looks to be in real good shape. I mean, the whole tractor is in very nice shape. Just a nice original garage kept tractor that someone took real good care of. Too bad they lost the side panels, but that's okay. Yeah, so this is just a nicer tractor. It's got, looks to me to be set 500 hours on it, so it's definitely got some use on it. Nicer tractor. I mean, these, you know, had a pretty heavy duty front end on them. It has a raw steering box in it. They're that's a real Cub Cadet thing, but it's not my favorite. Shaft driven hydro trans, and you know, these things are just built like a tank. But we're going to see if we can't clean these hubcaps up a little bit. They're a little rusted in the back, and might show you guys a couple of different ways how you could go about cleaning them up. But let's get them popped off, get a screwdriver, and get going. All right, so I'm just going to take a screwdriver, get in here, and pop these out like that. And got my nice workbench here, just a piece of cardboard on top of the hood. Okay, so I'm back here. I got some supplies. I got some steel wool, some tin foil, some WD-40. These are just some things that I've heard works really well. I've never tried WD-40 with it before, but I have used just tin foil before, so we're just going to take it, crumble it up a little bit. We're just going to rub it across here and see what goes on, and it starts taking some of the rust off. You can see it there. See, this took like that bottom off there. You know, it cleans it up pretty decent, really. But let's try some WD-40 on it. We'll try this corner right here with it, and let's see if that helps it any. So you know, I'd say that really helps it smooth it out a little bit, makes it easier to push. You know, I cleaned it up pretty decent. I mean, these caps are pretty rough. I've seen a lot worse now. Seeing where they're completely rusted out, like water just must have sit back in here. But let's give the steel wool a try, see what happens. Doesn't seem to be working as good as the tinfoil does. Yeah, it left a lot of spots in here. Might be just the piece I was trying it on. But I've also heard of a lot of other different things you can spray on here to help clean it up, like vinegar and a whole mix of lemon and vinegar and stuff like that. But man, this seems to be working pretty good right here. Let's give the steel wool a try again. Yeah, it seemed to clean it up better. Go ahead and do this whole thing. I'm going to keep using the WD-40 here, and I'm going to go with the tinfoil. Got me a nice rag to clean this off with. It is going to take a good bit of elbow grease to clean this off, get it looking good, but it's already starting to look a whole lot better. But I think it can look better still. That's a clean, and you can polish these hubcaps on a Cub Cadet 782. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.